Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Tekken 7 not opening problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just open Task Manager, and once you're here go to memory to see applications that uses your memory like Google Chrome, and now just close all the applications that you don't need. If you want to close it, right click and click in task, and right click in task, and after that just go back, click here, also close the applications that you don't need. If you have wallpaper engine, just close it, and that's it. Now just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just try to run it as an administrator, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.